Well, good evening, everyone. Been working on the exhaust a little bit tonight, and it's only really because it's been sounding like crap. It needs to be tuned up. I figured I'd start off with the muffler and fuel the exhaust system, because I was told it leaked when I got it. Well, you can see it leaks up through here, and yeah, it was hit pretty bad during transport from Alaska down to Wisconsin. And I knew about this when the owner of the car sold it to me. Needed a little bit of work, but found out that all throughout the whole entire exhaust system it leaked. You probably won't be able to see any leaks because I can see them for a little while until it got colder out, but there's about 4 or 5 leaks. There's a nice one up here, so I have to replace that, but I figured, what the hell? Let's make a bigger exhaust leak. So, it's only a small little 283, but, I mean, I like the motor, I like the car. I wish the motor was a little bit bigger, but there's not much I can do about it. So I figured, what the hell? It needs a tune-up, so it sounds like shit, but it needs a tune-up. And I just figured, let everyone hear what it sounds like. Open headers, essentially. Single exhaust. But let's have some fun with it, at least for a couple seconds. So hopefully she starts up. As you can hear, she's definitely out of tune. Desperately needs a tune-up, but I figured for the time being, I'll throw on a single glass pack and get a full exhaust, tune it all up, and have a little fun with it. But again, let's hear how she sounds. You know, for a smaller V8, I'm happy with it. I wouldn't mind having like a 383 stroker or something in here, but I mean, even if I just did a single or dual exhaust, straight out, no mufflers or no glass packs, I think I'd be pretty damn happy. So, until next time, hopefully I have a better exhaust on it and tuned up before spring. So you guys enjoy, have a good night, till next time.